inflation in 40 years. Seeing our inflation at 9.1%. Seeing American families struggle because of the weight of the government on their shoulders. Seeing the devastation from South Carolina to Ohio. It's unbelievable that the progressives in this country who caused the 9.1% inflation would then turn somewhere besides in the mirror to see the absolute devastation caused by their out-of-control spending is remarkable. Remarkable. To stop
Hey
the
guys,
out-of-control inflation caused by
welcome.
out-of-control spending.
So we have a few things going on right now. We have the Fed Chair Powell speaking, and just taking a look at some stuff. What's going on?
Cooling the economy is necessary because we've seen the most
So we have Fed Powell testifying right now, guys. We're gonna get a lot of USD movements right now, and I'm really looking forward to seeing some of these movements. So,
a level of social
join up in if you're not already joined in. Let me know what's up. Just share this link.
The facts are very simple. When you get to 9.1% inflation in this nation, as a kid who grew up in a single-parent household, mired in poverty, a 40% today, 100% just a year ago, increase in the gas prices devastates single mothers around this country. For seniors on fixed income, whose savings are being depleted with an average cost just last month of a $433 increase because of inflation. For my friends on the other side of the aisle to look any place besides a mirror, I find stunning.
So we have a lot of movement right now coming from the Fed.
When your electricity is up over 20%, you have to ask yourself,
US dollar pushing down. JPY now finally pushing below the zone. At this point, we could have seen that this was possibly going to be the movement. We could have seen this was possibly going to be the movement here after we saw all these wicks kind of just dancing around this area, failing to continue higher. So we got that push lower here. I do think that we will get a correction of this and price will push higher, but that remains to be seen. Everything else just looks nominal. Everything just US dollar really pushing. Most likely we're gonna see a correction of this dollar push, and that's what I'm anticipating right now. So yeah, we saw the dollar push down right now, just waiting for markets to calm after the event itself, and we'll see if we could get any setups going forward. Wow, look at USD card, guys. Wow, look at this. This is just today over 90, 100 pips. Some wild movement, some really wild movement. Look at gold. Gold just tanked all the way down. That's crazy. Wow, over 256 pips. That's okay.
I'm sure I did not have time for my opening comments, but I will say without any question.
This here dollar continue to fall here. Right after we push past this area, we continue to fall for 100 pips here. This was, you likely move to suspect price to do after all these ranging. But we'll see how that continues moving further on. I am looking to actually buy into this. My next setup for this year is on Euro USD. Right, I'm looking to see price correct or correction of this move downward, and then sort of like a correction move back to the upside. Right, this is just price action data, something that we've seen happen time and time again. So I'm waiting to see how this news digests into the markets, and we'll see. I'll do a possible first position. I do have this position still waiting to get taken into for price to continue higher, but we'll see how this candle closes, how this candle manages to close as this Fed speech is still going on right now.
One of the comments that you've made that I think is really important in one of the speeches you gave in January, and I apologize for our rant.
So I'm listening to this just to hear what's being said right now.
That we stick to our statutory goals and authorities, and that we resist the temptation to broaden our scope to address other important social issues of the day. Taking on new goals, however worthy, without a statutory mandate would undermine the case of our independence. He further noted that, and I quote, without explicit congressional legislation, it would be inappropriate for us to use our monetary policy or supervisory tools to promote a greener economy or to achieve other climate-based goals. We are not and will not be a climate policymaker. Do you still stand by this comment? Finally, we're not in the questions. No, I get it. Finally, yes, I knew the chairman would dock that for my time, and I appreciate you doing so with a great humor. Great humor. Finally, several of my Republican colleagues and I sent a letter to you discussing Vice Chair of Supervision Michael Barr's plan to conduct a holistic review of capital standards. I look forward to discussing those capital standards during my Q&A, and I will thank you for our recent conversation that we had that helped illuminate some of the necessary challenges that we face as a nation and your answers to it. Thank you.
Thank you. Speaking of illuminating, today
I see Fed news is pretty boring. It's just talking about the stance on different things, different aspects of the economy. Unexpected to see an increase on interest rates moving forward is good for the dollar. However, how markets choose to react to this, it can differ. So that's something that I'm not too heavily focused on actually entering, setups to the downside right now.
My colleagues and I are acutely aware that high inflation is causing significant hardship, and we're strongly committed to returning inflation to our 2% goal. Over the past year, we've taken forceful actions to tighten the stance of monetary policy. We have covered a lot of ground, and the full effects of our tightening so far are yet to be felt. Even so, we have more work to do. Our policy actions are guided by our dual mandate to promote maximum employment and stable prices. Without price stability, the economy does not work for anyone. In particular, without price stability, we will not achieve a sustained period of labor market conditions that benefit all. I'll review the current economic situation before turning to monetary policies. The data from January on employment, consumer spending, manufacturing production, and inflation have partly reversed the softening trends that we'd seen in the data just a month ago. Some of this reversal likely reflects the unseasonably warm weather in January in much of the country. Still, the breadth of the reversal, along with revisions to the previous quarter, suggests
Seeing
that
some price pullback right now.
are running higher than
GJ,
expected.
I'm very much curious on entering GJ. Back for that upside
Inflation has
movement.
fallen somewhat since the middle of last year, but remains well above the FOMC's longer-run objective of 2%. The 12-month change in total PCE inflation
This being a nice point of interest right here.
slowed from its peak of 7%
For price to
in January
possibly,
by 4%
after this range break, if price doesn't push down past this area, then I do think we could possibly see a continuation upside. So to be more conservative, if you were to enter short on this, I would say take shorts. You'll take shorts after price push past this area here on the forward candle, on the forward chart, sorry. And then, continuations downward seems more likely down to this area here, 161, 400, somewhere around there. So,
to a deceleration in this component of inflation over the year ahead. That said,
seeing some pullbacks here.
disinflation thus far in the category of core services.
This is the trade I'm waiting on to actually happen here. I have a 2.5% risk on this, so if this does play out, that would be around 20%.
And there will very likely be some
Around a 20% return on this, if this does works out in my favor. So we'll see during the course of today, and also tomorrow we have a heavy news day tomorrow, so that's something I'm paying attention to. We have Euro news, GDP growth stuff, which coming out at 6 a.m. for me, and as well I believe we had CAD interest rates too, so, and some more USD news. Fed Powell testifying again too later that day, so we'll see how this actually impacts price.
activity in the housing sector continues to weaken, largely reflecting higher mortgage rates. Higher interest rates and slower output growth also appear to be weighing on business fixed investment. Despite the slowdown in growth, the labor market remains extremely tight.
And it's crazy.
3.4% in January.
It's crazy, like how I'm like one of the best traders. I'm not gonna cop.
Job
But
very strong in January.
yeah, YouTube is hard, man. YouTube is hard.
As of the end of December, there were 1.9 job openings for each unemployed individual. Close to
See how this dropped here. I'm actually gonna clear this chart up because not much happening here either.
claims have remained near historical lows. Turning to
JP80. I'm gonna clear this up. This was a level I'm waiting on to see price drop from, but maybe not right now.
The FOMC has continued to extensive monetary policies, raising interest rates by 4.5 percentage points over the past year. We
Yeah,
continue to
price
anticipate
doing that
ongoing
pullback bit.
increases for the federal funds rate will be appropriate in order to attain a stance of monetary policies that is sufficiently restrictive.
Yep, price doing that pullback bit there.
In addition, we are continuing the process of significantly reducing the size of the balance sheet. We are seeing the effects of our policy actions on demand in the most interest-sensitive sectors of the economy. It will take time, however, for the full effects of monetary restraint to be realized, especially on inflation. In light of the cumulative tightening of monetary policies and the lags with which monetary policy affects economic activity and inflation, the committee slowed the pace of interest rate increases over its past two meetings. We will continue to make our decisions meeting by meeting, taking into account the totality of the incoming data and their implications for the outlook for economic activity and inflation. Although inflation has been moderating in recent months, the process of getting inflation back down to 2% has a long way to go and is likely to be bumpy. As I mentioned, the latest economic data have come in stronger than expected, which suggests that the ultimate level of interest rates is likely to be higher than previously anticipated. If the totality of the data were to indicate that
Comments going crazy. I'm watching that while listening.
restoring price stability will likely require that we maintain a restrictive stance of monetary policies for some time. Our overarching focus is using our tools to bring inflation back down to our 2% goal.
I'm probably gonna play some League while this goes on, guys.
Essential to set the stage for achieving maximum employment and stable prices.
Don't judge me for my gaming folder because it's just I don't play games. All right, I mean, you guys, I don't play games. The only thing that I play religiously is League of Legends. That's it, and even that I'm like dog water in it. So don't judge me on my gaming portfolio. I'm not a gamer.
Is in service to our public mission. At the Federal Reserve, we will do everything we can to achieve our maximum employment and price stability goals. Thank you. I look forward to your questions.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. There are 23 of us on this committee. Almost everyone will be here today. I ask each of us to stay as close to the 5-minute mark as we can because we have votes at 11:30. So thank you all for your cooperation. Chair Powell, thank you. Job growth is strong as unemployment remains historically low. You might not know that from the opening statements. Many drivers of inflation, corporate greed, rising inequality, supply chain disruptions, Russia's bestiality, if you will, in Ukraine won't get better because of interest rate increases. Every indication is that this post-pandemic economy is different. Should we be worried, Mr. Chair, that the Fed is treating this economic period as it has in the past instead of reacting differently?
That's the thing. I love that how he brought this up because that's something that I think is really should be in focus.
And have discussed this publicly on many occasions that there are some differences this time. We, in particular, have not seen the kind of supply side collapse that we saw at the very beginning.
Not some, a shit ton of differences.
War, which had significant effects on commodity prices a year ago. So all that is different. There are also, though, some similarities. there is a mismatch between supply and demand. You can see that in the goods sector still. You saw housing prices going up over 40% since the.
So I'm about to exit this in a minute because I mean they're talking about the same thing that you'll hear continuously at each Fed meeting, which is just talking about inflation, labor markets are doing good, In terms of any of the data points that the Fed will be paying attention to in order to understand what to do with their interest rates, whether it's to increase it, maintain it the same, and so forth with their policies. It would be the same thing over and over again. It will be a repetition of the same thing because a lot of the effects that a lot of the things affecting price right now is out of the central bank, out of the Fed control, and it's really about the global situation right now. So that's the tricky thing about it right now, I would say, which is different from the other times when we had interest rate increase um, during COVID, when the main issue what was driving, the U.S. dollar weakness and inflation. Well, key inflation at that point would have been COVID, the lack of jobs, um, well, the lack of employment because again of COVID infections, and as well as the whole chain supply issue that it had with the beginning of the war, the Russia-Ukraine war and stuff like that, right? And the embargoes, and also with the with the European Union, all of that, right? So that was like the main thing before, which at the same time was still different from now, where we actually see the main drivers of inflation being highest. So just something to take into consideration as you listen to the news, whether you do fundamentals or technicals, whatever it is, or a mixture of both. As you listen to the news and you digest it, that is something you should pay attention to. Yeah, just like a little side information for you guys out there who maybe, you're taking a look at this, or maybe find this video, you stuck through it, and you see, yeah, that's basically something you need to pay attention to right now. So this is good for the dollar. However, I don't think this move will last very long. If price does manage to push lower, then that's great. That just means I stay out of a trade for today. We made a good percentage today, so I don't really need to risk anymore. The only other time I'm going to look for a trade setup here on your USD is for price to reverse and come back to my entry point here and continue higher, which is something I still think is very likely to happen. However, I don't have ESP, I'm not, clairvoyant, anything like that. Price could do whatever it wants. But in terms of my understanding of the price action and the fundamental data and market psychology, this is what I'll be waiting for to see and for price to do all of that. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait. Sometimes patience is the best friend in these markets, right? So we're seeing all of these bearish moves in favor of the dollar. A lot of mixed data too, because we're seeing that dollar movement. We're seeing the DXY high right now. I think if we look at the look at this, right? US 30 and Nas 100, right? So something that I like to pay attention to here. Again, this has to do with market psychology. I like they mentioned corporate greed. Um, we're seeing that, okay, we're seeing the current move here to the downside after all this bullishness here. Now, is this going to correct all of that move? Because again, the US dollar is highlighted as being strong, because in the future we could see more rate hikes. No, because what does that mean? More rate hikes doesn't necessarily mean that the dollar is going to get better faster. It's just the Fed really trying to do what they can, about the only thing that they can, to help improve inflation. All right, and again, this is inflation not represented by anything within the control of the U.S. economy itself, but rather a global situation. Again, they mentioned they had supply chain issues too, which is still out of their control. So as things get better globally, I mean, if Russia can stop its war and all of that, then you'll see like everything quickly improves. But for now, this is just where we are. So just something to pay attention to.
Undertook to administer a program like the PPP, all while weathering a shutdown of our global economy.
So, and free speech and the Fed.
Our banking system
Sheepless got small business shut down.
stepped up and delivered aid to support families and businesses.
Paul believes in crypto.
That's why Vice Chair Barr's broad comments around holistic review of our capital trouble me so much. We should be laser focused on our economy and addressing the needs of everyday Americans.
I'm like, who is this 17-year-old in the back? Yeah, I don't know.
As you and I both know, capital and its quality must be continually scrutinized, but increased capital does not necessarily provide an increased benefit, and requiring banks to hold capital that is not risk-based and appropriately tailored to a bank's size, scope, and activities can cause more harm than good. At a
It
time
makes
when
complete sense here.
where everyday needs are more expensive, we should not be pursuing actions that are harmful. Rather, we should be supporting the engine of our economy, small businesses. While I remain greatly concerned by the Vice Chair's comments, I am hopeful that you will ensure this review is appropriate, keeping the impacts on our banking system front and center. We must promote and further the growth of our economy, and thereby our people. Anything less should be unacceptable. To that end, will you commit that any ongoing capital review by the Federal Reserve will follow the law,
The comment section is
including
completely insane on this thing.
will be risk-based and tailored to an institution's
Oh, wow.
specific
Okay,
needs
so
and
I'm gonna end this. I'm gonna play League. You guys can watch me play League for a bit. I'm gonna play and I'm gonna set an alert on this so when it goes off, I would know when price comes back into this area here if it does any next hourly candle.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
So we're
2
just
weeks
gonna
ago,
wait
I
and
sent a
see.
letter with Chairman McHenry to Chair Gensler regarding the SEC's climate disclosure rule.
Yes, I'm gonna mute this and mute it. Actually, you know what? No, we listened to it. We listened to it until my game loads. This just became a gaming channel, guys.
To protect investors,
I'm gonna
maintain
gonna be,
fair,
become a
open,
gamer.
and efficient markets, and
I'm
promote
doing gaming streams now, guys.
and not to advance progressive
Buckle up.
climate change policies.
You're gonna see a league
Designed
toxic
or
player, a
promote
Timo
price
player. I'm a
stability
Timo
and
player, a
balance in
top
market
lane
performance.
Timo player. You're gonna see a top lane Timo player at
To
work.
that end, I find worrying the Fed's announcement of recent actions to consider climate-related scenarios, coupled with remarks by the Vice Chair of Supervision, as attempts to incorporate broader ESG policies into the financial services system. Banks have and continue to account for weather-related
And
risks
that's crazy.
risk
I'm
management.
on this
Efforts
stream
that attempt to predict climate
by
change
myself.
far into the future fall outside the scope of their
Oop,
authority. Importantly,
that's just
the level of speculation required in these
guys.
models
I was
is
like, what
far
going on? What's
from
going on here?
future. At a
That's
time when our
crazy.
economy is suffering from historically high inflation, I expect our central bank to focus its time and resources on bringing inflation down, not on policy outside
I'm like,
of
what?
its control. I noted in my opening statement a recent speech that you've given about the state of the Fed and how you should resist the temptation to broaden its scope and to address social issues. Do you agree that the Federal Reserve does not have the
Oh,
authority
this is
or statutory direction to use its monetary policy or supervisory tools to wade into the
change my
ESG
resolution.
or climate policies?
I do. As you know, there's a tightly focused role that we do have, and I believe that we have, but I would agree with your statement.
Mr. Chairman, I have 20 seconds left. I'm going to defer my further questions to my witnesses.
Thank you, Senator Scott. Senator Menendez.
I'm gonna deal with all of that later because I don't know what any of that means. But yeah, no, let's just look for a game. Let a game load up because
Welcome. It's always good to have you in front of our committee. As you know, both core and headline inflation have remained persistently elevated, and over the past 12 months, real average hourly earnings fell by 1.8%, about 4% since President Biden took office. To make ends meet as prices increase, more Americans are leaning.
sometimes it's not good to listen to all the analysts they say because a lot of the information be hit or miss. But I like to get different perspective on things in order to make my own bias, as well as using the previous data points that the Fed themselves will pay attention to make the decisions in order to analyze the market itself or whatever currency I am looking at. Just to give you guys a little insider, I do have a whole Excel with everything that I do. But yeah, now it's just like out of the top of my head, I just do everything that I need to do in terms of my analysis. Um,
administration
yeah, with that being
has
said, sometimes with some of these analysts,
necessary to improve and increase
uh, you had to know how to pick the information, I would say, because a lot of the times you could, if you're just watching this and you're like, okay, Paul said this, that, whatever, and you're looking to go take a direction, buy or sell in a certain direction, doesn't mean price had to go and continue in that direction, right?
higher
So
prices with regard to
it's like be aware of what
as opposed
you're
to
paying
the one
attention
button
to
which is bring down the total
would help you in the long run.
I just wanted to ask, I guess, and you're going to, like, this
Can
is
I
something we've heard
do this?
before,
Can
but
I
do
stream
you
this?
believe that
I'm
we
not
currently
sure.
have the monetary policies
I'm
in
picking
place
top.
to actually reduce
All right, time to
inflation?
mute. Time to mute this because he don't. We don't need to listen to this no more. We don't need to listen to that no more. I'm gaming. Honestly, when I go top, guys, I just ban the Darius. Burris a menace. Actually, all of them, all the champs is a menace. Any champ that I don't pick is a menace. So, hopefully my team will get banned. I pray my team will get banned. Ooh, okay, nice, 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 nice. Good work. Yeah, so we'll see what happens here. And 20 minutes is kind of close, and then next kind of formation. So this might continue moving down. We might get a wick back up. Who knows? Anybody's guess. Ooh, I wonder if that's Zoe's top, eh? Oh. Yeah, so I'm a toxic Teemo player. I can't help it. Just part of me. Yeah, so this stream just turned into a gaming stream, I guess. I don't know. Nice. A Scion top. Scion. Shit. A Ravine. A Riven top. Yikes. Okay. Riven top. I feel like for Riven, I'll need Overgrowth and possibly conditioning. No. Bone plating. Let me see. Yeah, second win. Second win, Overgrowth. That's what I'm gonna go with. Press the attack, second win, Overgrowth. And be like bone plating. Yeah, for sure Overgrowth. I'm gonna leave it as Overgrowth. Surprise pullback down some. We'll see what it does. Alright, now we're streaming League. Alright guys, don't come onto my toxicity as I do this game because I just have the stream running, just waiting. Alright, let me put up the audio real quick. Shit, let me put the audio real quick on this. Let me put the audio on this real quick. Let me put the audio. I'll capture. I think that's good. Yeah, well that's good.
Won this fight already. Doing it again.
Survive here a week, then you get a name.
The thing about playing like League and games in general when you don't have like a team, nobody uses the voice chat. Everybody just.
Welcome to Summoner's Rift.
I don't know. Hopefully I can get a win here because if I don't, then I'm gonna get demoted and I'm probably gonna throw my whole laptop outside.
30 seconds until minions spawn.
I'll be very, very much upset if I do get demoted here. I really need this win. I need this win.
Minions have spawned.
You can't tell, but I've got
Man.
quite the beard under here.
There's some bullshit. I know there's gonna be some bullshit. Watch how she trying to get me right off the bat. Like I'm easy prey. No, I'm not. Ah!
I take
Crap.
everyone with me.
First blood.
Oh! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. That's part of the plan. That was definitely part of the plan. I kid you not.
One day there'll be a reckoning. War didn't change me.
All right, now I'll be on the
I
lookout for
changed
the Warwick. Is he in bush
There's
somewhere?
left here.
I don't wanna run out and he come after me. I want Forex.
Now we wait.
I'm not no silver, nothing. I'm a bronze all the way. I don't have any let's go. I mean, like my attention is very low because like I can't pay attention to everything going on right now because I don't know, too much things happening at once right now. Like my attention towards everything kind of
An
low.
ally has been slain.
Tall folk don't last long around here.
Leave me alone.
Who's my next tally mark?
An ally has been slain.
Ooh.
Smell that? That's fear.
See, like I'll focus on these minions because they're killing. They're killing everything before I even get a chance to take anything.
You have slain an enemy.
See, like I have focus on the minions because they're killing. Go! Ah, shit. Shit, the dog. Work, stay away from me. They have. Work, stay away from me. Have rabies. Yeah. No.
Never let your guard down.
I'm not gonna do it.
Need to get patched up.
has been slain.
Bro, watch how she climbing in CS quicker than me. That's
An enemy
annoying.
has been slain.
I just don't like when like climbing quicker than me in CS.
Time for talk
It's
is
annoying
over.
as shit.
Shut down.
She ain't died, bro.
An enemy has been slain.
A part of you never leaves the jungle.
That thing Riff is so annoying. Jesus Christ. You check annoying, bro. Alright, let's go!
My ears are always ringing.
That was my first and last mistake, don't worry about it. We coming back up. She had us in first half, not gonna lie. Bro. Minions only trying to take my kill.
Never
It's
get
annoying.
attached.
Yeah, she do use mana either, so that's like one of the more annoying traits about she. Like, all she needs is a cooldown and that's it, she good to go.
We ain't all making it out of here.
Yeah, stay away. Stay away, chica. Shit.
Death has a name.
Okay, the Warwick at bot, so
Enemy
I'm a
killing
green.
spree.
I'm a green, and I'm gonna try to cup this bag. Let me cup this kill. Let me see if I can cup this kill.
Survival ain't pretty.
I don't want to be too close.
Armed and ready.
Oh, she have 47 in the CS.
Cannot go.
Wow! See how annoying that is? God damn it. That beyond annoying. Alright, now I have to play it safe now because she higher than me in CS and she has 2 kills on me. So I can't even chance it now at this point. I have to get more magic damage and then I'll be good to go. I need some burn damage on this bitch. She's so flicking annoying. Like, her scalability is annoying as shit. But I don't like close combat champions. So that's why I like my champions always long range. I like them long range. Come on, those team. See how the minions take my kills?
Nobody's innocent anymore.
Let me have this.
Nobody gets past Timo. Become one with the jungle. Huh. More where that came from. I used to live by a code.
Man.
Shut down.
She wants.
Another mushroom,
She wants
another
something.
victim.
Ooh.
An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Started the fighting.
Ooh. Come on,
Double kill.
come on. Let's do this. Let's go.
You'd be surprised how quick Spurs nights. Natural born killer.
You have slain an enemy.
Let's go. That's a tough one. Nice. Fight, dude.
Pieces of fairy tale.
This will work. This guy comes up.
An ally has been slain. Your team has destroyed a turret.
I thought it was hard. Look at Sue. Yo, I like zero health. So this takes this real quick.
You got a weapon.
And I get boon items for Ravine because she could just be a tank real quick and I can't deal with that. I'm just
Good men die.
yeah, I can't deal with that shit.
choose to live.
If she become a tank, that's gonna be a pain in the ass for me and I'm just gonna start feeding. I'm gonna just be feeding.
No.
Oh shit. Oh shit. See what I mean? What is she? Nice. Bro, don't die.
An ally has been slain.
One day there'll be a reckoning.
Turret
bro,
plating
she's
will
a
fall
menace.
soon.
War didn't
She's a
change me.
menace, for real, for real. It's like I can't even be mad, bro, because she really is a menace. She had 4 kills, 4 deaths. Not bad, not great either, but I don't want to deal with that.
An enemy has been slain.
Good.
An ally has been slain.
Let's go.
An enemy has been slain.
I own this land.
Killing spree.
Time for the long nap.
Enemy killing spree.
Bro, no way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Bruh, ain't no way. Jesus Christ. No, 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 no. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. That's not fair. What the fuck? How? Why was she able to? Why? Why even?
I've done things I'm
What?
not proud of.
I'm gonna just stay here. I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna wait for her to come.
Patience now.
An ally has been slain.
I'll wait for this bitch to come.
Watch your step. Sight, shoot, reload. Become one with the jungle.
She right in the bush waiting like I didn't see my shit light up just now. She literally just switched it with vision. See? Like if I'm gonna come out there like a dumbass. Please.
Look alive.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
I'm not
Little
Rampage.
surprise for
I'm not leaving.
now. We
Double kill.
Yeah, she here or either here. One of them. Ah, shit.
I'm the last
An
scout.
ally has been slain.
God damn it.
Your team has destroyed a turret. Killing spree. Your turret has been destroyed.
Been looking for yours truly.
Actually, Jinx making like look. Ah, she
Your
went top.
team has destroyed a turret.
Everything that happens here.
That's nice. That's a nice distraction for me, so I could possibly
You're
get this,
welcome.
yeah?
Shut down.
Can I? Let's do it quick, let's do it quick. Come on.
Shut down.
Yeah?
You don't know about war.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Getting hard. She got me hard.
Become
Like
one
none
with
of
the
the
jungle.
Like
I don't feel anything.
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Your turret has been destroyed. An ally has been slain. Killing spree.
What do you want me to do about that? I can't do nothing about that, bro. Look at me, look where I am.
The odyssey never leaves the jungle.
Let me go help out. Come on, Echo, you got it, buddy. You got it, Echo.
Rampage.
Ooh. I got him running through these rooms, so you run through these rooms, so you should be okay-ish. You could do some damage. Come on, don't let Buddy die. Ah, Buddy boy died.
Enemy double kill.
Dude, the ravine is such a pain in the ass. She's a real pain, for true. This is too much.
Never get attached.
Shut down.
We ain't all making it out of here.
Your turret has been destroyed. An enemy is legendary.
Bruh, this game is so unfair. My god. What's your life? What's your HP? What? That's insane.
Survival ain't pretty.
That's insane, bro. Watch how much. Wow, that chick just. That's annoying. That's real annoying, guys. If I lose this, that's it. I'm quitting everything. I'm not trading ever again in my life. I'm not doing nothing no more. I'm gonna just be like a waste of space, just voided of life. Just GG's to life itself on God.
Another mushroom, another victim.
She just so powerful for what?
Killing's all I'm good at. I'm everywhere.
Enemy rampage.
Face toward enemy. Lots to do before I punch out. Now, we wait.
An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
Let me get rid of this. Let's get this.
This is gonna sting.
Maybe that might help the situation. Yeah, no, for sure. Can't get it. Yeah, no, for sure. For sure. I know Ravine was somewhere up there just waiting for my ass to come. I'm not gonna get too satisfied.
Shut down. Enemy double kill. Enemy triple kill. Shut down.
Wow. That was a lot of that. That was a lot of that.
I forget what started the fighting. Got a little surprise for him. Become one with the jungle. You'd be surprised how quick fur ignites. Hilo.
You have slain an enemy.
More where that came from. Pieces of fairy tale.
See, for me, if I could get my damage up, my burn damage, that would be significantly good.
This is where we draw the line. There's nothing left.
Actually, I ran this up. I'm gonna run that shit up.
An ally has been slain. Enemy double kill.
But,
Okay, yeah.
quite the beard under here. Patience now.
Coming, bud.
This one's
Coming,
for
bud.
my helmet brother.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Shit.
An enemy has been slain.
Look out. This
Go.
one's for John.
Alright. I need a ward. I need to. Ah, shit.
Another mushroom.
Yeah, she
another
tried to gut
victim.
me. She tried to gut me just now.
Enemy killing spree.
Hey, yo.
Enemy double kill.
Hey, yo.
Shut down. An enemy has been slain.
Bro, you see how she tried to gut me just now?
I settle my score.
I know she was probably somewhere right there. Like, you're not gonna get me so easily. I ain't gonna go like a chump. Alright, drag, hex drag, coming on just now.
Armed and ready.
We'll do this shit.
This'll be messy.
Alright, run feed here.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
I'm about to feed this here too. Yeah, no, I know what's up, Get out of town, guys. I know what's up.
I own this land. One day there'll be a reckoning. Toward enemy. Find
Come on, guys, do me proud. Come on, do me proud. Let's go. Run! Okay, Tom. All right.
Aced.
war didn't
Yeah,
change
so on
me.
Tom, they did
I
this shit.
changed
Alright,
war.
let's go. I need some more burn damage, and if I could get like a grievous wound, yes, so anti-healing for the ravine to take out that shield. That shield very flicking annoying. Jesus Christ. I thought it was just gonna go, and she was gonna pick some. Who was she? She was gonna pick somebody else. She was gonna go somebody else, and then she picked ravine. Like, I wish she'd go with the other champ that she had in mind, because I think I'll have an easier time dealing with that rather than the ravine, to be honest.
I'm taking everyone with me. You're welcome. Now we wait. Tall folks don't last long around here.
Alright, if I have Tom, I should be
I've
good.
done things I'm not proud of. I'm everywhere.
What is that shield? Bro, what is that shield? Wow.
Your team has destroyed an inhibitor.
Insane.
Killing spree. Your turret has been destroyed. Your team has destroyed a turret.
Nah, bro. I don't even. What the hell is that? What is that? That's insane. That is insane. For sure.
Your turret
And you think
has
she's
been destroyed.
obnoxiously strong.
Down. been destroyed.
Yeah, no, that was huge for me, honestly. That was rough for me, because I can't do nothing against you. She's irritating, annoying, sure.
They've been looking for yours truly.
That's like a bad matchup for me right there. Yeah, I can't do nothing about that
You
shit.
don't know about war. Who's my next tally mark?
Shut down.
Smell that? That's fear. Coming in hot. A part of you never leaves the jungle. My ears are always ringing. Another mushroom, another victim. Never get attached. I own this land.
But I don't know what that shield is, but it's ridiculously strong. My shrooms doing some kind of damage, but that shield, whatever she have,
The enemy's
ridiculously
inhibitor
strong,
is
bro.
respawning
That's
soon.
annoying as hell. Run! Don't stand a chance! Run! What's that? What's that? She just taking them out one by one?
Enemy double kill.
Face toward enemy. Take the pain. Got a little surprise for us.
Like, my shrooms will do damage, right? But we had a point where it's like, I don't know, we had to catch them by surprise for that shit to lose,
Another
honestly.
mushroom, another victim.
Because other than that,
Watch your step.
yeah, but we had to catch them by surprise for my shrooms to lose, honestly.
Rampage.
Yeah, okay, so I could shoot, and they just have to like attack me.
Lots to do before I punch out.
Oh shit, out of me.
An enemy is unstoppable. Shut down.
Nobody's innocent anymore.
Bro, that's annoying. That's literally annoying. That's good. Killer, thank you very much. Killer, thank you. Thank you very much.
Unstoppable.
Alright, so we get Soul Drag, let's go. The ravine bay, bro, this shit's annoying. I'm gonna get some heal going.
I used to live by a
Just
code.
kill me like 12 times. That's annoying. 12? Really? And it's literally just her though. Because I didn't die from anybody else, did I? I don't think so. Literally just to she killed me 12 times.
Toward enemy. I forget what started the fighting. Bug out!
How you doing, buddy?
You'd be surprised how quick fur ignites. More where that came from.
Ooh, keep coming for me. Yikes.
Pieces of fairy tale. Got a little surprise for him.
Shut down.
You can't tell,
Your
but
team has destroyed a turret.
that you're here. I own this land. You're welcome.
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Armed and ready
Your team has destroyed an inhibitor.
to live.
Shut down. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's
Your
go.
team has destroyed an inhibitor. Ace.
Another
Your team has destroyed a turret. Your team has destroyed a turret. Victory!
Good game. Bruh. Okay, what's going on here with the US dollar? Our surprise continued falling here. Okay, for now though, I think I'm gonna leave it as is for now. Alright, surprise managed to continue falling right now. I do think we would see a reversal, but at this point, not right now. So the US dollar is very strong. We saw that rally to the upside, which is great for the dollar. However, it's a question of whether or not we're able to maintain this, right? So markets overall pretty bearish. I got a pretty bearish market overall. GBP CAD came down nicely. GBP AD still kind of then this kind of rangy situation here. Wow, this fall a lot. All right, so we broke to the clear downside here on JPY, which is great for price. Around 96 pips. All right, so yeah, for now, looks like the dollar is gonna maintain this bullishness. I am waiting for a reversal, right? So up for the day, but I think at some point I would be looking for long setups in a situation like this. All right, I already explained it in the weekly analysis video. So yeah, right now, just gonna leave it. May look for a setup if price manages to pull back up right here. Then I'll look to long this. If price manages to do that, I'll look to possibly long this, right? And that's not just a pull into this level, but I want to see a close above here, and then that looks good for a continuation for me. So that's about it right now. That's what I'm looking for. All right, guys. So thank you for joining in, and I'll see you in the next one.